how to delete all reposts at once on TikTok. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete all reposts on TikTok. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open the TikTok app and log in to your account. Now, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then, tap on the three lines at the top right and go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Report a Problem. Now choose the category Feed and Playback. Then let's select Feed for this one as this is related to posts on TikTok. Scroll down and tap on Other. Next, you'll see a screen scroll down and tap on Need More Help. Here, you'll get a text box. This is where you can explain your issue. Type something like, "Hi, I accidentally reposted a lot of videos. Please help me remove all reposts at once from my account. Thank you." Then tap Submit. Now your request will be sent to TikTok's support team. They'll review your issue and respond within a few days. Alternatively, you can go to Watch History, locate reposted videos, and unrepost them manually, but this is time-consuming and not always accurate. That's all for the video. If this helped you out, drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.